Hey, it's Greg here with MaritimeGardening.com. I just thought I'd give you a little look at the garden right now. I can't even get into the garden because the door is kind of frozen in place. But yeah, just a little note for my regular viewers. I haven't been making much videos lately. There's no reason other than it's February, the garden's frozen solid, and I'm honestly just not doing much in the gardening business right now. Just taking it easy, and I went skating with my kids today and just kind of enjoying the winter months and enjoying not gardening, I guess. But March is around the corner. I'll be pruning soon. Lots of stuff to do. Anyway, I just wanted to make viewers aware that I'm doing another year with Veseys seeds. For those that don't know, the deal is that you get free shipping if you order items from their 2025 seed catalogs. If you go on their website, I mean, most of the things they sell are in their seed catalog. It's not just seeds, it's like a whole bunch of stuff, right? If you're interested in buying anything and you're concerned whether or not it is or is not in the seed catalog, there's a thing you can click on their website that shows their seed catalog, and you can just find the item in there. For the most part, if it's seeds, it's in the seed catalog, but there's much more, like a lot of the transplants, a lot of the, like if you bought an apple tree, I think that's in the seed catalog. You know, all their, a lot of their gardening equipment, that's in the seed catalog. So you get free, as long as it's in the seed catalog, you get free shipping, unless it's a large, sort of what they call an oversized item, like a rototiller or something like that. There's a surcharge on that because they're not cheap to ship, right? But yeah, they've done that deal with me for another year. So if you haven't ordered your seeds yet and you want to take advantage of that, they tend to fill out the orders quickly and send them along. And every year when I have my garden, everything that I grow, almost everything, so I save some seeds, and the odd time I'll get a seed at the dollar store or something like that. But let's say 90 to 95% of what you see in my garden comes from them. Always happy with their stuff, and love having this arrangement with them so I can transfer the free shipping to my viewers as well. Sort of works well for everybody. But anyway, yeah, it's almost the end of February. So at some point in March, I'll start making more regular videos again. I don't even start my transplants till the end of March, really, indoor transplants. But usually sometime in March, I have a really nice sunny day, and that's when I want to get out and start pruning. And that's when things get started for me, getting that itch. The air has a different smell, and it's just time to, I mean, I'm outside all winter long, just doing other things. If you happen to be missing me, I do have an outdoors channel called Outdoors on the Cheap, where I'm doing not garden things. I'm in the woods, hiking, hunting, fishing, making fires, all this sort of woodsy type stuff, for those that are interested in that sort of thing. But otherwise, some point in March, I'll be getting regular with the videos again. I'm still putting out an article once a week on Substack, something related to gardening. And I'm still trying to keep up with the podcast. I actually didn't do a podcast in February. I just couldn't find a dance partner. Couldn't find someone to talk to, other than Robert Pavlis, who I have on like 4 times a year. So I don't want to exhaust him. So that happens sometimes, right? But anyway, it'll all be up and running again. Just having a kind of relaxing winter. So thanks for watching my channel all these years. Take advantage of that coupon code GAVS25, and otherwise get out there, get at it, have fun in your garden even if it's frozen, and we'll see you in the next video.